game. Give me tatlong bagsak or tatlong lab. Ready, go! Okay, are you ready to have your game? Okay, ready na. Where are the play school? Yay! Where are the kindergarten? Where are the prep class? Okay. You are all excited. Our first game is... Oh, give me what I want by batch now. We will start